In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a scenario in make.com. By the end, you'll have your automation running on its own at the times you choose, without needing to click Run manually every time. Start by opening the scenario you want to schedule in the scenario editor. Before you set any schedule, it's a good idea to test that everything works as expected. Use the Run Once button to execute the scenario and watch the modules step through. Check the output bundles and logs to confirm that your connections, filters, and mappings behave the way you intend. If anything fails, fix it now so your scheduled runs don't stop unexpectedly later. Next, open the Schedule or Run settings. In the editor, look for the clock icon or the section labeled Schedule or Run Settings, typically near the Trigger module or at the bottom area of the editor. Click it to open the Schedule panel. This is where you choose how and when your scenario will run. Inside the Schedule panel, pick the timing that fits your use case. If you want it to run repeatedly, choose at regular intervals and set your interval in minutes. For example, to check something once an hour, enter 60 minutes. If you need a one-off run at a specific time, select Once. For routines that happen daily, choose Every Day and set the time. If your workflow only needs to run on specific weekdays, use Days of the Week, and for fixed calendar dates like the 1st or 15th, choose Days of the Month. If you're planning around specific occasions, use Specified Dates. And if you don't want it to run automatically at all, choose On Demand so it only runs when you trigger it manually or call it via API. As a quick tip, make sure the time you pick aligns with your account or scenario time zone so the run happens exactly when you expect. When you're happy with the schedule, click OK or Save in the panel to apply your settings. Finally, turn the scenario on. Use the scenario toggle to switch it to On. This part is important. Even with a schedule configured, the automation won't run unless the scenario is active. Once it's on, you'll usually see the next planned runtime displayed, which confirms your schedule is in effect. If you ever need to pause the automation temporarily, turn the toggle off. Your schedule will be preserved until you're ready to resume. That's it. You've scheduled your scenario in make.com and set it to run exactly when you need.